There's a $1.6 trillion AI revolution happening right now.
And while everyone is chasing the same stocks like Nvidia,
there's one underdog stock that quietly signed deals with the US military, the NHS in the UK,
and is now rumored to be working with Apple.
It's not ChatGPT, it's not Tesla, it's Palantir.
In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to tell you why Palantir could be the single most important AI stock to own over the next 5 years,
and why Wall Street might be sleeping on it.
Palantir Technologies was founded in 2003 with backing from the CIA's venture arm in QTEL.
The company's specialty? Big data.
But not just any data. Highly sensitive, complex data for governments, militaries, and Fortune 500s.
Today they have Foundry, a commercial platform used by companies like Ferrari, BP, and Tyson Foods to optimize supply chains, logistics, and more.
In a world drowning in data, Palantir builds the tools to make sense of it.
Now let's talk artificial intelligence. While companies like OpenAI are building chatbots and generative models,
Palantir is building AI infrastructure. Think of it like this. OpenAI is the fancy race car,
but Palantir built the road that it's racing on.
Their artificial intelligence platform, or AIP, allows companies to deploy LLMs in sensitive, real-time scenarios, while keeping data secure, accountable, and explainable.
And their demos, they're unreal.
Imagine an oil rig operator talking to an AI system that responds in seconds, deploys drones to inspect damage, and shuts off a valve, all in real time.
That's not sci-fi, that's AIP.
So why isn't everyone talking about Palantir?
Well, it's really just these two reasons. And the first is, it's not sexy. Palantir isn't flashy like OpenAI or Google DeepMind.
They're behind the scenes. They deal in defense contracts and enterprise software, not consumer hype.
And two, valuation drama. Wall Street analysts love to hate Palantir. They called it overvalued, overhyped, too reliant on government contracts.
But here's the thing. Palantir just posted 4 consecutive quarters of GAAP profitability.
That means they're now profitable, growing, and scaling into the AI boom, while still being seen as a speculative stock.
Let's talk moat. Palantir doesn't just have customers. They embed themselves into workflows.
Once a client signs on, Palantir engineers often work on-site for months, customizing platforms to that specific business. It's expensive to leave, it's sticky, and as AI gets more complex, companies will want customized, secured AI systems, not just a chatbot they slap onto Slack.
That's Palantir's moat. AIP is already being used across manufacturing, healthcare, energy, and military sectors.
And they just announced AIP boot camps, 5-day events where companies test out Palantir's AI with their own data.
These are converting into long-term contracts like wildfire.
Okay, numbers time. In Q2 of 2025, this year, Palantir reported $642 million in revenue. That's up 16%.
Adjusted operating income, $205 million. Commercial revenue, up 35%. $3.5 billion in cash with 0 debt.
This is a company in acceleration mode, not declining, not pivoting. They're growing into their vision and doing it profitably.
One of the most interesting recent developments is that Apple has reportedly met with Palantir around potential AI integrations.
Apple doesn't build large models in-house. They license, integrate, and perfect.
Palantir is one of the few companies offering scalable, secure, and ethical AI infrastructure that aligns with Apple's privacy-first principle. While nothing's official yet, this rumor alone has analysts perking up, and some hedge funds are starting to quietly increase their positions.
So, should you invest in Palantir? First, this is not financial advice.
You obviously need to do your own research.
But here's what I'll say.
In a sea of AI companies burning cash to chase trends, Palantir is profitable, growing,
actually deploying AI in the real world, and still flying under the radar.
If you believe AI is the future, Palantir might just be the most asymmetric bet on the board. Don't sleep on it.
And subscribe if you want more deep dives into overlooked AI plays. Thanks for watching.